This is the mama sang. Wait. Where the mama sang? That is a mama sang. That is a mama sang? Look like it's not you. Look at your face now. Very, very scary. Oh! Next time, you print this one and compare, look at, and go to the mirror and compare your looks now. A very big different now. Your face now is tigulang nayaot. Ngaway na hot. Lunok na. Oh. Look at that oh. This is your mama sang? What kind of a club you have? Look, this kind of a face is look like in a mental. Uy, maybe this is you are in out of a mental hospital outside in the garden. This one? Oh no, you stolen this? You pretending that you have a car? That's why. That's why you run in other country. Now you hiding. Oh my God. Shout out the Interpol. There is an alien that is stolen everything in his own country and run and making fight with making fight. Hey, ako. Nagkatawa lang ta. Guys, this kind of a person, guys, don't be trust. Look at the face, and then the face now, oh, gipisti ang naong. Ay, nagkatawa ka. Gipisti ang naong, haman to.